Welcome to Conical Cove. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating natural wonders of the Philippines, the Chocolate Hills in Bohol. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation consisting of at least 1,260 hills spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometres. These hills are covered in grass which, during the dry season, turns brown, giving them a chocolatey hue, hence the name. These iconic hills are not only a geological marvel, but also hold cultural significance for the people of Bohol. Legend has it that the hills were formed from the tears of a giant named Arago, who wept uncontrollably over the death of his beloved. However, scientists believe that the Chocolate Hills were formed through the uplift of coral deposits and the action of rainwater erosion over millions of years. This unique geological process has created a landscape unlike any other in the world. From the viewing decks scattered throughout the area, visitors can marvel at the panoramic vistas of these conical hills stretching as far as the eye can see. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from late November to May, when the hills are at their most chocolatey best. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or simply someone with a sweet tooth, the Chocolate Hills of Bohol are a must-visit destination that promises to leave you in awe of nature's wonders. Thanks for joining us on this virtual journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Conical Cove for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.